Yeah, thank you very much for this question. You know, this security program was actually created, and it was created by those in authority. And if they want to stop it today, they will stop it because they are the ones engineering it. How comes Bush people who have been known to be cattle rearers, how comes they have guns? Where do they come? These guns come from? How comes those people they call bandits, they have armored vehicles, including tankers in the bush, and they call them terrorists or enemies? How come they have this? If it is in Maiduguri, where did the tankers pass? Is this they came from the earth or they came through? Where did they get the tankers? You have to every sane person know that the authorities are behind this insecurity. If they want to stop it today, they can stop it. All right. Now, by inviting those who are perpetrators of this, yeah, they will make it more aggressive. They are inviting the U.S., which is very clearly it is behind all these so-called terrorist organizations. It is behind. U.S. created Boko Haram. The U.S. is funding Boko Haram. U.S. creates what they call ISWA. They created ISIS. They create Daesh. They confess it openly. All right. I don't need to give you proof because they have said it themselves. They are behind it. They said that they will use terrorism to conquer Africa. Now you invite them to be a remedy for what they have been the cause. What do you expect? Mass killing of more innocent people. All right, and they will come not for security but to steal our resources. You see them in where there is gold, oil, gas, and other resources. You will see them there. That's where the security problem is, and that's why they will protect Christians. They will protect Christians in Zamfara and Katsina, where there is gold. You see them there protecting Christians. They will protect Christians in extreme northeast, where there are rare earths. You know, they come for that, and they will create havoc. So if the government wants this insecurity to stop today, they will stop it because they are the ones doing it. No fool nobody can, unless you want to be a fool. You have to understand that the Nigerian government is behind all this insecurity, previous and present.
Any other questions?